Close your eyes. Now this is Wednesday and the date is 28th of July. So we are going to start the morning prayer. Come on, Advika Shukla. Hands down, very good, very good. A big clap for Advika, very nice. Very good, Advika, very nice. Now, next time, learn it more thoroughly, okay? The prayer should be thorough. Whenever you are saying, it should be more and more thorough, okay? Very good. Come on, children. Now, everyone, very good. Now, tomorrow, Yuvan will say the morning prayer, all right? Sit straight. Dania, yes, okay, John, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Do like this. Like this. Yes. Very good. Then click your fingers. Click your fingers like this. Everyone click your fingers. Very good. Like this. Very good. Okay, touch your eyes. Show me your eyes. Show me your eyes. Two eyes. So what do? I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. Eyes से आप लोग क्या करते हो? देखते हो ना? So how many eyes? Two eyes you have. One, two. So I see with my eyes. Okay. Now how many ears? 2 ears. 2 ears. देखो 2 ears you have. So I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. है ना? आप ईयर से क्या करते हो? सुनते हो ना साउंड? कोई भी साउंड आती है, like in the class outside there are too many sounds of motorcycle, horn. See, the sound must be coming. So I hear with my ears. I see with my eyes. Okay? How many nose? One nose. Nose से क्या करते हो? नोज से क्या करते हो? I smell with my nose. Close your mic. Close your mic, everyone. I smell with my nose. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. है ना? Teeth. I chew. तुम लोग कुछ भी खाते हो, chew करते हो ना ऐसे से? I chew with my teeth. Like this. I chew with my teeth. Okay? I smell with my nose. How many fingers? 10 fingers. I write with my fingers. I write with my hand. I write with my fingers. You are holding it now? You are holding it and you are writing like this. You are writing like this, everyone, children. So what do you do with your fingers? I write with my fingers. Okay? Okay? So these are the parts of the body which may help you. You know, they play a very important role. Eyes से तुम लोग क्या करते हो? देखते हो, see करते हो. Ear से hear करते हो. Sound. Some sound is coming of horn. Then nose से क्या करते हो? Smell. If flowers are there, so there is a very good fragrance now. Flowers. You smell. If you are going to a Chinese restaurant, so there is a smell of little Chinese food, no? A tangy taste of Chinese. The smell comes of Chinese. I know most of the children, they like all these Chinese food. So there are different taste, different smell comes. है ना? Sometimes there is a very bad smell. तो तुम लोग ऐसे कर लेते हो. Stinking smell like this. Stinking, बहुत गंदा smell, dirty. तो तुम लोग का ऐसे कर लेते हो, स्मेल आती है तो ऐसे करते हो ना. So these are different things. Okay, children? Now all of you children take out your maths copy. So today I am going to do a new activity in maths. I am going to do a new activity in maths. Now see, this is a sun, these are clouds, this is a tree, and this is an umbrella. So you will draw this on the copy and we will count. और नीचे आप लोग काउंट करके लिखोगे कि कितने सन हैं, कितने क्लाउड हैं, कितनी अम्ब्रेला हैं, कितने ट्रीज हैं. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू विल काउंट. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ. नाउ सी द ब्लैक बोर्ड चिल्ड्रन, एवरीवन. देन आई विल सेंड यू द कॉपी पिक. आई विल डू इट इन द कॉपी ऑल्सो. फर्स्ट सी द ब्लैक बोर्ड. एवरीवन सी द ब्लैक बोर्ड. राइट CW and date. Okay, now you will draw a sun. Sun in the corner. Sun in the corner. Sun in the corner. Everyone draw a sun and color it. Color the sun with a yellow color. Very good. Color the sun with a yellow color. Draw one sun. Sun is in the sky now. You see a sun in the sky. Okay, children? Okay. Now after that you are going to draw 3 clouds. 3 clouds. Draw 3 clouds. And color it with the blue color. Color it with the blue color. I am showing you the rainy season. I am showing. Okay, see the clouds. Clouds. See, 3 clouds. Okay. Now you are going to draw in the corner 1 tree. Now draw a tree with the green. A tree like this. Actually, this is a scenery. I am teaching you how to draw scenery also. See, this is a tree. Okay? Now color it. Color it with the green color. Color it with the green color, children. Okay? Alright. So these are clouds. This is sun and this is a tree. Okay? This is a tree. और trunk of the tree कौन से कलर का होता है? Brown color. The trunk of the tree with the brown color. Yes. क्या कैसे बनता है? ट्री. देखो मैम बता रही हैं. देखो आप लिख के बताइए, नीचे लिखिए, मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. ओके, सो दिस इज अ ट्री. यू विल ड्रॉ 1 tree. 1 tree, okay, like this. And color it nicely. Color it nicely. Ahil, Anika, Abdul. 3 clouds, 1 sun and 1 tree. Okay? Now after that you are going to draw a triangle and you will draw an umbrella like this. An umbrella. Like this you are going to draw an umbrella. And color it. How will you draw umbrella? Draw a triangle. Draw a triangle, children. Okay? And draw umbrella. Draw umbrella. Draw a triangle. And like this, umbrella. Okay? Draw a umbrella like this. Okay. Then after that, draw two flowers. F for flowers. F for flowers. Okay? Draw two flowers. Children, this is a scenery. Actually, this is a scenery. See the leaves I have got. So this is the scenery, children. Draw a scenery like this, children. Nursery C. Now today is 28. Draw a scenery, everyone. Advika Kapoor, Adinav, Arjun, Rehan Heather, Rehan Kashif. All of you draw like this, a scenery. Now draw it. Okay. अब तुम लोग पता है क्या करोगे? जब तुम लोग ये ड्रॉ कर लोगे तो नीचे तुम लोग साइड पर स्मॉल सा यहाँ पे छोटा सा सन बनाओगे और सन के सामने विल मेक अ डैश. ओके, मेक अ डैश. सो हाउ मेनी सन आर देयर? काउंट. इसमें काउंट करो कितने सन है. तो यू आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर 1. ओके, इन सन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर 1. See children, I am showing you my copy also. See, तुम लोग नीचे यहाँ पे see, यहाँ पे तुम लोग सन बनाओगे, यहाँ पे तुम लोग क्लाउड्स बनाओगे और काउंट करके लिखोगे स्क्वायर में. ओके, so how many sun are there? How many sun are there? One sun. So you are going to write one sun like this. Okay, one sun. All right. And how many clouds? How many clouds? How many clouds? The cloud one. Cloud के आगे कितने clouds हैं? लिखो 1, 2, 3. Yes. देखो मैम दिखा रही है तुम लोग को, मैम शिफ्ट कर रही है. हाउ मेनी क्लाउड? 3 clouds like this. See, how many clouds like this? Draw it first. Draw it, everyone. Draw it neatly, children. See, like this. See, like this, children. One sun, 3 clouds, 1 tree, 1 umbrella. This is the scenery. Actually, this is the scenery. Okay? And 2 flowers. And 2 flowers. तो नीचे तुम लोग सब काउंट करके लिखोगे. 1 sun. सन के आगे एक स्क्वायर बनाओगे 1, देन क्लाउड बनाओगे 3. ओके, सी 3, 1. सी ओके. तो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू वंस अ कॉपी ऑल्सो. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द कॉपी, चिल्ड्रेन. वेट. 2 flowers. Okay, see, now I am showing you the copy. See my copy. See my copy, children. See my copy. This is my copy. Okay? 1 sun, 3 clouds, 1 tree and 1 umbrella. युवान अपने आप करो, अपने आप ट्राई करो. Umbrella. And you will count. अब तुम लोग ऐसे सन बनाओगे. यस, ओके. सन, हाउ मेनी सन? 1 सन. क्लाउड, 3 clouds. हाउ मेनी ट्री? 1 tree. हाउ मेनी umbrella? 1 umbrella. एंड हाउ मेनी flowers? 2 flowers. तो आप ऐसे नीचे एक इंडेक्स बनाओगे लाइक दिस. So this is a scenery, children. Nursery C. This is a scenery. See, and color it nicely. Sun with the yellow color, cloud with the blue color, umbrella रेड एंड ग्रीन, एनी कलर यू कैन यूज विद द अम्ब्रेला. ब्लू कर सकते हो, पिंक कर सकते हो, ओके. ब्लैक भी कर सकते हो, ब्लैक एंड पिंक का कॉम्बिनेशन, और ऑरेंज कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज अ ट्री, okay. And these are two flowers, children. See, Kashvi sing words. Yes. Who is this Vidhi? अच्छा, नहीं, वैष्णवी is there, okay. Kashvi is there. नहीं, ये विधि कौन है? Who is विधि? अच्छा, ओके. यस, 2 फ्लावर्स. हाँ, ये है फ्लावर्स, देखिए 2 फ्लावर्स. और फ्लावर्स में भी यहाँ पे नीचे फ्लावर लिख के स्क्वायर बना लीजिएगा. सो 2 फ्लावर्स, ओके. दिस इज द इंडेक्स. 2 फ्लावर्स इन द स्क्वायर. अम्ब्रेला 1, sun 1, cloud 3, tree 1. ये देखिए, सी मैम ने पूरा इंडेक्स बना दिया है. और सन कितने हैं? 1. सो दिस इज द yes, very good, Yuvan, very good. So this is a scenery, okay, starting with sun. See why I have made umbrella, because the rainy season is going on now. That is why I made one umbrella also for you all. Okay, I have made sun also. This is a scenery, but because rainy season is going, so I have drawn an umbrella. ओके. अम्ब्रेला सबको आता है ना बनाना? देखो मैम बता रही है अम्ब्रेला कैसे बनता है. आई विल शो यू हाउ टू मेक एन अम्ब्रेला. सी हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक एन अम्ब्रेला. मेक अ ट्राइंगल. एवरीवन नोज हाउ टू मेक अ ट्राइंगल. देन स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड टर्न इट, ओके. देन मेक फ्लावर्स इन अम्ब्रेला. हाँ, या ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. आपको अम्ब्रेला को जैसे करना हो वैसे कलर कर सकते हो. एंड लाइक दिस वे यू कैन ड्रॉ एन अम्ब्रेला. ओके. दिस वे यू कैन ड्रॉ एन अम्ब्रेला हियर. ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, so you will do it like this. This is your maths class, children.